What's your name?
Where are you from?
Are you American?
Are you English?
I'm Canadian.
Do you speak English?
I speak a little.
I'm not very good.
I don't speak it well. What's your address? What's your date of birth?
What's your phone number? Where do you live?
What time is it?
How long does it last?
When does it end?
It's 2 a.m.
It's 1 a.m.
It's 2 p.m.
It's 10 p.m.
It's 7:30.
It's 6:15.
It's 7:15.
It's late.
It's early.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What's the date today?
What month is it?
What year is it? Do you have a big family?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
My family is big.
My family is small. What a nice family.
What a big family. What a small family.
Is your family close?
My family is close.
Are you married?
I'm single.
I love my family.
I love you. I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
Let's have breakfast.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have dinner. Enjoy your meal.
Can I see the wine list?
Could I have the bill, please?
Could I have the check, please?
How is your food?
It's on me.
This is delicious.
What's today's special?
What's the temperature? What's the weather like? It's hot.
It's cold. It's sunny.
The weather is bad.
The weather is nice.
What do you usually do?
What are you doing?
I play football.
I like traveling. It's fun.
It's boring.
That's right.
What size are you looking for? The dress is large.
The dress is small. The shirt is too tight.
The shirt is too big for me. Can I help you?
Anything else?
Do you want to try it on?
I'll try it on.
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept checks? How much is the skirt?
How much are the trousers?
How much are the pants? It's cheap.
They're cheap. That's too expensive.
That's not expensive.
I'll pay by credit card. I want to take the train.
I want to take the bus. I want to take the underground.
I want to take The subway.
The train station is near the school.
How much does the flight cost?
A return ticket costs $500.
A round-trip ticket costs $500.
What is the departure gate?
What is the arrival gate?
When is the next flight to Sydney?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a journalist.
I'm a teacher.
What do you want to do later on in life?
I want to be a teacher. Why do you want this position?
Because I want to be a journalist.
I like to help.
I like to write.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 3 months.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
No, I can't help you.
What do you want me to do?
Right away. What did you do last night?
What did you do last week?
What did you do the day before yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What do you want to do?
I want to go out.
I want to stay in.
I want to watch television.
I want to watch TV. How are you feeling?
I'm ill.
I'm sick.
I'm in good health.
I'm not very well.
I'm very well.
I want to be in good shape.
I want to gain weight.
I want to put on weight.
I want to lose weight.
Where does it hurt?
My arm hurts.
My back hurts. My hand hurts.
My feet hurt. My legs hurt.
I have a pain in my foot. Can you recommend a doctor?
Can you recommend a dentist?
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a dentist. Look at the animals.
Look at the people.
I miss you.
Hello.
Hi.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good night.